Hello, my fellow Indonesians. My name is Christiana Alexis Kani, and I am running for president. I am here today to talk about the issue of poverty. Poverty is one of the main issues in this country. Based on March 2019 data, approximately 20.6% of the entire population is falling into poverty, which means 25.1 million Indonesians need to be freed. Poverty prevents people from getting proper education, getting proper health, and getting adequate nutrition. To solve this problem, Indonesia needs change, Indonesia needs someone who can solve this problem, and Indonesia needs me. Another issue that is threatening Indonesia that I want to discuss is the issue of pollution, especially air pollution. The high level of air pollution will affect the quality of people's lives. Pollution is a predator in our life. To solve this problem, I will encourage my fellow Indonesians to go green and to live more sustainably by using greener sources of energy. Victory is not only for myself, victory is for the whole country. Please vote for me, Christiana Alexis Kani, and let's make a change together.
Beautiful people of Indonesia. My name is Nathaniel, and I'll be running for president of Indonesia. Today, I'd like to talk about two topics going around Indonesia. The first one being the military. Why am I talking about this, you may ask? Well, there have been several complaints from active personnel living in Indonesia. An example of this complaint is a young man named Budi, who claims to be overstressed from the operations he does every 2 days. To fix this, we will provide better healthcare, better rations that now include more nutrients, and comfier living shelters. The second issue I like to talk about is technology. People admire technology, kids admire technology, everyone admires technology. But there is a downside to the terrifying terrors of this technology. This topic is the most important among them all because it is accessible regardless of status, age, or gender. Everyone can access technology, so it's a part of the 21st century. Because everyone can access technology, disturbing things can be shared. To prevent this, we will strengthen the security of the internet. You must be linked to your guardian's email when creating an email account unless age 13 or up, and you must have permission from your guardian's device when accessing certain websites that are not school rated. With this, our generation can strive harder. Thank you, people of Indonesia, for coming with me. Remember that the only way in is Dustin. Please consider voting for candidate number 1, and I thank you again.
Good morning, people of Indonesia. My name is Julian C. Suartono, and I am running for President of Indonesia. I am here today to talk about the issue of health. In this year, there is a virus named COVID-19. The reason why this is important because many people get infected by this virus. To solve this problem, I will increase the maximum of COVID-19 infection, testing service, and treatment. I will instruct the finance minister to provide the budget needed. We must stay at home, we must wear masks, we must always keep clean, and don't forget our spray to cut. Another issue facing in Indonesia is education. The main problem that I will discuss here is online school. The reason why this is important because with online school, teachers can still teach, students can still learn, teachers and students can still communicate. Besides that, as COVID-19 pandemic has spread in Indonesia, online school is very important because teachers and students will be safe in their respective places or homes without having to go out or meet face to face. To solve this problem, I will open a free service that related to the internet. I will provide assistance underprivileged people so they can attend online school. I will provide operational funding to schools. Thank you, audience, for your attention. Remember to vote me. Goodbye and God bless you.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Lionel Winston Wibowo, and now I'm running for President of Indonesia. I am here today to talk about technology. Technology has been growing because people keep on creating a better and a better technology as their job. But the only problem is people keep on using technology. The reason why this is important is because there are addicted people out there that keeps on using social media, which doesn't even socialize with other people in real life. So to solve this problem, I will build more public facilities so people can socialize. Another issue facing to Indonesia is about the lack of sport facilities. Why this is important is because we need healthy lifestyle. We need to do more physical activities, and we need to not stay at home below the AC, especially when we have pandemic year. So to solve this problem, I will build more sport facilities so that we can have a better lifestyle. Thank you everyone for listening my speech. Long live Indonesia!
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sil Moroka and I'm running for President of Indonesia. I am here today to talk about health issues. This time, Indonesia and the world are being attacked by coronavirus, which we call COVID-19. The reason why this is an important issue is because coronavirus is a strong virus that can cause a serious health problem. It attacks our respiratory system. Since we haven't found the vaccine yet, we need to take care of our health. We need to follow health protocols. It is important for us to avoid crowded places. We need to do social distancing, wear masks in public places, and wash our hands regularly. It is important for children and elderly to stay at home. Sick people have to do self-isolation or go to the hospital to get medical treatment. To solve this problem, we need to work together as a team to defeat the virus. We can fight together to defeat COVID-19. Another issue facing Indonesia is poor family. The reason why is because their life is under the average. The reason why is important is because family should be the place where children grow, feel comfortable, and love. Family should be a child-first teachers and act as a role model in how to act as experience the world around them. But in the poor family, they use their kids to earn money. There's many children wandering on the street begging for money. I want to make sure that we won't see that kind of condition again. I want to make sure that every children get a good education and provide them a safe place to live. To solve this problem, I will distribute conditional and unconditional cash transfer to the poor families. We have to remember that children are the future of our country. It's important for our children to grow in a healthy family. Thank you, my lovely audience, and don't forget our future is in our hands. Stay healthy and God bless you.